Hello everyone, today I will show you how to check recently airdrop files on iPhone, and here's how it is done. First, let us swipe over the app library and locate the Files app. If you cannot find it, simply go to the App Store and download it. It is an official Apple app. Once you're in the Files app, tap on iCloud Drive, then select Downloads. Here you should see any files that were airdropped to you that are not images or videos. If you tap the three dots in the top right corner, you can switch to List View, which will show you the exact date and time when each file was shared. This is a great way to see your most recent airdrops, whether they are PDFs, zip files, MP3s, or other document types. However, keep in mind that photos and videos don't end up in the Files app. Instead, they go directly to your Photos app. Let's open that app now. Here, you can see the image I just airdropped to myself. Unfortunately, there is no indication that this was received via airdrop. You can swipe up for more information about the photo, but it won't show you that it was shared through airdrop. That is everything you need to know about how to check recently airdrop files on iPhone. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.